Good morning, friends. Here is a quick video of a project you can try. You need 2 pieces of paper. I picked construction because that's what I had. And then color them. Once they're colored, you're going to need scissors. Pick one of them to cut the short way, so you have short strips. Watch my scissors. This way. And you're going to cut strips all the way through, all the way down the paper. Here are my strips all cut. And now I have my other piece that I'm going to, you guessed it, cut. But I'm going to cut it the other way, the long way. And I'm going to cut and leave the top uncut, like this. See how I didn't cut it all the way through? That's what you need to do. Now comes the tough part. We're going to go over and under. Watch my strip. Over the first one and under the second one. And I'm going to keep doing that pattern of over, under, over, and under, over and under. Yay! You've successfully weaved one strip. I'm going to move it all the way down to the other end. It's hard to do with one hand, but that's what I'm going to do. And now we're going to do another strip together. Perfect. Let's get the second strip. But we're not going to start over or under, just like the first strip. We're going to start the other way. We're going to go under the first strip and then over. So it does the opposite. Here's what the finished product should look like. A checkerboard pattern. Isn't that neat? You can tape it and keep it. You can undo it and do it all over again.